Hi, let's talk about Part Design Workbench interface. After you open Part Design Workbench interface, in the middle you can see three main planes, XY, YZ, and ZX planes. Basically, where these three planes intersect in a point, that is your origin of the component. At this point, X, Y, and Z is 0, 0, 0 in the coordinate system. In the top left corner, you can see something what's called a specification tree. In the specification tree, you got your part, which is part 1 in this case, then XY, YZ, and ZX planes, your main planes, and then the part body. Part body is generated by default and it is the main body of your component. In the top right corner, you've got something that's called a compass. Compass is used to manipulate a view. If I click on this line and drag down and up, it seems like I'm moving the planes themselves, but what I'm really doing is just changing the viewpoint of the camera. I can click on any other lines and change the orientation in this plane, orientation in this plane for example, or if I grab this point at the top, I can change the orientation in any of the planes. The red square at the bottom is mainly used in the assembly design workbench where I can grab the compass, put it on a component, and then I can move the component where I want. Now you can see a lot of different icons at the top, on the right, and at the bottom of your screen. You can change what kind of icons you see in front of you by simply right-clicking on any of these icons or this empty space, and then you see a selection of commands which are enabled or disabled. Now in CATIA V5, you are free to change the layout of your screen. So for example, if I want to change the position of this group of commands, all I need to do is click on this little line above this group and drag it out into the open. I can do the same with any of the other commands. If I don't want to have them on the main screen, all I need to do is grab this group of commands and drag it, for example, to the top. I can drag this, for example, to the right. Another thing I can do is grab, for example, this group of commands and bring it to the left. And even though there is no tab, the tab will be created. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.